All right, court is calling 2024 CR 3748. And this will be our last case. State of Texas versus DeAndre Deferred. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state? Defense? And are you Ms. Deferred?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
To the best of my knowledge, yes.
Did you review it with your client?
Yes.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Deferred, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment?
Quick legal check-in. The judge is confirming something called discovery compliance. That's basically making sure the defense attorney got every single piece of evidence from the state. If this box is not ticked, the whole case can crumble on appeal. Think of it as the courtroom version of show me all your cards before we play.
With your attorney?
Yes.
Did you understand it? Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Proceeding on count one and waiving count two.
Any objection?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand in count one, you're charged with assault, bodily injury on a security officer? That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court would defer finding the guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, please.
All right, so what started this argument at the Shoe Palace?
So it had nothing to really do with me. It was just me and a group of my friends. It was someone's birthday. We were just in the mall cashing out like $3,000 worth of stuff. So it was girls behind us. One of them got.
Okay, pause. Did you catch that? This all started at a shoe palace over birthday shopping and $3,000 worth of stuff. Let me ask you this. Have you ever noticed how the smallest spark, like a dirty-looking line, can turn into a legal wildfire? Here, that wildfire is about to jump straight into a felony courtroom.
Behind my friend, and I told her, I said, hey, it looks like this girl is going to hit you. Next thing I know, this girl did hit my friend. Mind you, I moved out the way. I didn't fight. I didn't do any of that.
Actually, this police so that just
Oh, I'm so sorry. So we're just buying stuff up at the mall. One of the girls was behind my friend. I told my friend, hey, this girl is looking like she's going to do something to you. The girl actually did hit my friend. So the people that I was with, everybody fought except for me. I'm on the sideline. You can see it on cameras. I'm on the sideline doing nothing. So I walk out of the store and we're all walking towards the exit. 7 or 8 security guards run up behind me, and the guy didn't even give me a chance to say anything, do anything. He was aggressive towards me, and I got scared. And I told him, hey, get out of my face, da-da-da-da, whoop-de-whoop-whoop.
Okay, let me ask you something. Do you think the court reporter can take da-da-da-da-da, whoop-whoop-whoop
No.
down?
I'm sorry. No, ma'am.
So, Maria,
yes.
that's da-da-da-da-da, whoop-whoop-whoop. And I may have missed one of the da-da-da-da-dots.
I'm sorry. So they just started. So the security man.
All right, so let me just tell you.
Yes, ma'am.
Security guard is saying you caught him in the eye with your fingernail. Were you wearing those nails?
They were longer, and I'm sorry.
They were longer?
Yes, ma'am.
So it caught him in his eye.
Yes, ma'am.
That's why we're here.
And I do apologize about that, but at the same token, if 7 men was coming at you, you would be scared too. If 7 men threw you into an iron gate, you would feel the same way I do.
I would have picked up the phone and called the police
Oh,
if
they
I'm
were
at the Shoe Palace.
They were already there.
Here's my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Why was a girl behind your friend looking like she was going to hit her? What was going on?
They was hating on us.
7 male security guards rushing at one woman? That's not just intimidating. That's terrifying. And here's the twist. Fear is not always a legal defense. The judge is not asking, were you scared? She's asking, did you commit the assault? And unfortunately, the defendant's long nails catching a guard's eye was all it took to push this into felony territory.
All right, why?
Because we was in the mall just catching up. just spend a lot of piece of change. It's a nice mall, you know, spending some money.
Shoe Palace?
No, okay, well, I like shoes. I don't know about everybody else, but we spent a lot of money in the mall that day.
And which mall was this?
The one that's got the big boots on the outside of it that I'm not allowed to go
North
back
Star?
to.
Okay. All right. You know what somebody said in a program that I watch? He said, wealthy people don't spend their money on fancy items because they're wealthy. They don't need to spend a lot of money so people can see that they're wealthy. He said poor people, some, will never obtain wealth because they keep buying stuff to show that they're wealthy. Like I never understood when people would buy, like for example, the Hermes bag. That bag is like $20,000, maybe more, 120,000. Some of them. It's like people buy that bag 120,000. Poor people financially, and they don't have $20,000 to put in the bag. They like maybe have $100. But here's the thing: you got in a fight at the Shoe Palace, and the security guard got hit by your long nail.
I didn't.
If you would have, here's the thing: if you would have had your natural nails on, maybe he wouldn't have been injured. But this is where we are. So the people you were with who are listed in here: Tahaya Lovejoy, Linda Marie Lovejoy.
Who? I don't know.
You don't know any of them? Okay. All right. This is what I'm going to do. Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I'm an AGM for a management company for hotels. And assistant general manager.
All right. The court is going to sentence you to 3 years deferred adjudication. There's a $400 fine that will be probated. Do you have any children?
No.
All right. There's to be no contact with the following persons: Benjamin Mendoza, Colin Johnson, I think this is Tahiyah, TA'Khia Lovejoy, Linda Marie Lovejoy, Tanisha Lauren Jones, Laurin. I know you say you love shoes. Not at the Shoe Palace anymore.
Okay.
So no contact with the Shoe Palace. And I tell you what, I'll do no contact at the Shoe Palace at North Star Mall. Far be it from me.
And there it is, the courtroom banner. The judge orders her to stay away from Shoe Palace at North Star Mall. Honestly, that's one of the most ironic punishments you will hear. Imagine explaining that to your friends. Yeah, I am banned from shoe shopping, court order. What do you think? Fair or just plain embarrassing?
To take away your ability to go to all the Shoe Palaces.
Okay.
So Shoe Palace at North Star. Proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Anger management course. Regular random UAs. Field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation. Is there anything else? Just 1 second. Probation. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No, but I have a question.
Yes.
So you said that there's going to be field visits to, I'm assuming my home, which is cool,
Yes.
fine and dandy. I don't live in San Antonio.
Oh, where do you live?
I live in Killeen.
Oh, okay. And she's going to be out of Killeen probation.
Yes, sir. Are you reporting these two more?
Yes. And transferred to Killeen, Texas. What parish is that?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, county.
Yeah.
Bell County? All right.
Probably from Louisiana. So
All right, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it? Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand? All right, we can go off the record. In this court, to be successful on probation, communication is key. If there's an issue, let probation know. If you feel as though they're not addressing it, you can come back to this court and we can compare shoes.
Okay.
All right. All right. Probation will speak with you. You're excused.
thank you, Judge.
All right, everyone.